Kani kadega Patisi TV.
Hennen kasngi ka katkandai terek uyayong kisamla pule ka sekolah ba Northeastern Hill University ki bahapo ka seng Nehu Students Union kilapun kot no ya katayau tamasa ka basiteu lenter hakisngi shuwa jong kani kasngi kon lapalong ki tamasa ki baharukom kentop naduk ki jingekop hakiji lek ka baperoper ki jekop ki bedai bat ki jingpro jabeng jong kisamla pule bat ki wede ki tamasa ban penberngai kisamla ban penjat ha chipor ki kisamla na ka jing pule jongki Hakani kasni ke bakado jong katayau ke balatip kong ke Varsity Fest 2017. Laidon langru unong aiboj barang ba jong ke sarkar jela u Dr. Didi Lapang bolalong kongsan hak jelang. Kiwei de ki balaidon lang hakani kasni ki kentop yo wei ne kiriu pau khmat ke jela hakasan hima u bolong ru MLA jong ke nong thamai constituency u Dr. Jemino Mautho bat kiwei de ki balasa khot sobha. Hakani kasni ke bakado katamasa ke bakado ke de ke jingkop thai babreu bat rangkan sai ke balatip kum ke Nehu Fest King and Queen 2017.
There was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? When it goes like this, the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the harmony, the posing, hallelujah.
Some of you will have told what you are made at, to be somebody at the top of your career. can change the world and shape the destiny of your own as well as others and the country and the world as a whole. Thank you, friends, for given me a chance to be with you today. Most of the students of NEHU are young, and they say, Catch them young is the philosophy of the wise. Because young can do. Young means something great. And if any big decision is decided, it is your young age. You come here from different parts of the country and involving even international friends here. You have left, you're from different kind and created here, different colors. But today, with the banner of NEHU, you become like brothers, sisters, members of some family, and together we have created a team, a great team, effective team for a better generation and a brighter tomorrow. You left your parents, you left your home and heart, you left your love and one and neighbor, so that you will be somebody, someday, somewhere.
Kani Gadega Patisi TV.